Hey guys, it's Tori from Monogram Moments, and today I'm going to show you all how to make quick and easy mock-ups. This is an easy way to show your customers what a design might look like on a t-shirt or a pillowcase without you having to actually create it yourself, print it, and take a picture of it. So if you go on Etsy, you can look for all kinds of mock-ups. You can find shirts in different brand names or colors. You can even do pillowcases, tea towels, canvas bags. There's all sorts of options, but today I'm going to use the one that I have on my website, and it is a boys ARB shirt. And this is also a design that I sew. And I'm going to size it to about what I would make it if I were going to print this. And then I've already got my name, so I'll just drop that on top of it after I bring to front. I've got my design ready to go. I want to screenshot it from here. If you are on a Mac, you can hit Shift Command 4, and that'll give you this cursor, and you can just drag over what you want to screenshot. There it is, and here's my image that I can take and post on Facebook. Now, if you have a Mac or a PC, I had to Google it. Looks like you can just hit the print screen button, and it takes a picture of your entire screen, so you'll then have to go and crop out what you don't want to put on your Facebook. But there's also another easy tool. It's called Lightshot. You can go to lightshot.com. You can download for whatever computer you have, and then it just leaves this little icon up here, and I would just hit take screenshot and drag where I want the picture to be taken, and here I can copy or save it. So I'm just going to go to my Facebook page and say, hey, who's interested, something along those lines, and paste my picture, and there we go. Super simple. And I also have, that people have found helpful, a sibling mock-up, so you can show both what a girl's design will look like and a boy's design on a shirt for siblings. So that is how you do a mock-up. It's really easy and helps your customers have a visual of what it looks like when they purchase it. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any other ideas for future tutorials, please let me know, and be sure to hit subscribe.